Hi guys, this is PEF number 9. We're factoring, so we're going to make sure we have 1 out front, so 5 times 1 is 5. So let's list the factors of 5, 1 and 5. Do 1 and 5 add together, give me 6? Yes, they do, so we're splitting up that middle term, so plus 1x plus 5x plus 5. We have 4 terms now. I can factor an x out, x plus 1. I can factor a 5 out, x plus 1, so my answer is x plus 1. Whatever you have left, x plus 5. Okay, this one, kind of goofy. So I have 1 out front, so negative 64. Things I have no other negative. Factors 64, 1 is 64, 2 and 32. 3 doesn't work, 4 works, 4 and 24, 4 and 16. 5 doesn't work, 6 doesn't work, 7 doesn't work, 8 and 8 work. Okay, so if one's positive, one's negative, this is going to work. X squared plus 8x minus 8x, that gives me always 0x minus 64. Factor an x out of both of those. Factor a negative 8 out of both of those. Make sure the sign changes. X plus 8 matches. Whatever you have left underneath is x minus 8. Done, it's factored. Okay, problem number 5. We're going to multiply those together, so I get 12. All signs are positive, so everything's positive. Factors 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. Which of those add up to 7? That'd be 3 and 4. So I get 2x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 6. That gives me an x, and the 2x plus 3. 3, that's 2x. I can factor 2 out of those. That's 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 comes out. What do I have left? X plus 2. That's the other binomial. All right, multiply those together, I get a negative 12, so I know I have alternating signs. So the factors of 12, 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Which of those, 1 positive, 1 negative, give me 11, and it's that. And it looks like it would have to be a positive 12 and a negative 1, so 3x squared minus 1x plus 12x minus 4. I can factor an x out, that leaves me 3x minus 1. I can factor a 4 out, that's 3x minus 1. So I get 3x minus 1 and x minus 4. That's factored. Okay, next one, we're going to multiply those together. I get 18. Being that's a negative, that means both are going to be negative. So the factors of 18 are 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. Both of them have to be negative. If they're both negative, they add up to negative 11. So I have 6x squared minus 2x minus 9x plus 3. Factor 2x out of both of those, so that's 3x minus 1. Factor a negative 3 out of those, so that's 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1s are the same, so that factors out. What do you have left? 2x minus 3. It's factored. All right, let's multiply those together, so I get a negative 24. So I know alternating signs, so the factors of 24, 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. Those will work. You're going to have alternating signs, so that's going to be a positive 8 and a negative 3 would give me the positive 5. So I get 4x squared plus 8x minus 3x minus 6. Factor out 4x out of both of those. So you get x plus 2. Factor a negative 3 out, and that gives you x plus 2 as well. Remember the sign changed. So x plus 2, what do you have left? You have the x and a minus 3. So 4x minus 3. Here's my answer.